This literature kit on Black Beauty by Anna Sewell incorporates well-thought-out questions that encourage students to really think about their answers. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Determine the setting of the novel based only on a few details from the story. Prepare for the reading by investigating the purpose of the spur in horseback riding. Finish sentences from the book with their missing vocabulary words. Identify Joe's error in judgment when tending to Black Beauty. Explore ways some of the cruelties experienced by the horses in this novel could have been prevented. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a short book review of the novel and posting it online. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Choose a major event from the book and complete a concept wheel with details on who, what, when, where, and why. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.